Today we're gonna be eating Haitian food. So I have tried this before. I completely forgot what it's called. I'm not gonna pronounce it on camera because I don't want to get it wrong. I will be putting it on the screen. So I don't even know what's in this. I've only had it once and I really liked it. So I asked him for it again because I was craving it this morning. Also gonna be watching The Office. So get into the nails.
So Michael needs us in the conference room. Get right to the point, 15 years of clinical doctor, veteran via today.
There, actually.
Oh, I had to grab me some Kool-Aid.
Allergic reactions, and there's a way more track to the back of you than the front. A way to approach a possible reconciliation.
Let's get back together. No, hey, do not wish them luck. Do not wish them luck. All luck must be wished to Michael. Good luck, you guys.
I really just wanted to be happy. And I know that sounds cliche, and I know maybe I'm being cliche. I don't care, because I am what I am.
What is the best color? White. Because it contains all other name is Montpelier, Vermont. A great interviewee. Why? Because I have something no one else has.
No, he didn't give me more than I can eat. I still have this right here. I cut it in half because I know I was gonna be able to eat the whole thing. And then there's a whole nother one right here. This is what they look like when you don't cut them in half. They're huge. I love them so much. That was good. I was tearing that thing up. It has eggs in it and peppers. I don't know what that meat is. Chicken, sausage, steak. I don't know. I don't even like peppers, but I like it in this. I'm gonna have to save the rest for later.